Hello everyone, welcome back again with AutoCAD tips and tricks how to scale object. For example in here I will create rectangle and we can set dimension into 20 and you can press enter to apply. You also can set dimension linear into this object. Okay, now I will scale this object to S, so you can tap scale, press enter, select all objects, press enter again, and for base point I will click in center point. The next, to scale to S, you can tap 2, you can press enter, so it will be set into 40 for this length. If you want to scale half of this object, you can use 0,5. Okay, say you can tap scale, select all, and base point, click in here, and I will set into 0,5. This for half, we can press enter, so it will be back into 20. The other option, you can use a scale for in reference. For first I will create a simple object for reference. We create line with length 10. Okay, you can set a dimension linear to see this line length is about 10. And now I will change this 20 into 10 with this reference. You can tap scale, press enter, select all objects. If you want to scale, press enter again. For base point, you can click in here, this for base point, and you can tap R to use reference option. Then you can click from this point into here for reference, and then you can click at this point. So the object will be same length with these reference objects. You also can create again, like we can set into 20 or can set to 23. Can use dim this line with length 23. So if you want to scale this object, like I will scale in here, reference, you can click from this point, tap R for references, and you can select from this point into here, and now you can click at this point. So these rectangles will be changed into 23 like this reference length. Okay, enough today for AutoCAD how to scale object. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.